I'm packed up to fishing today. Got 4 fishing rods with me today and all my gears. Let's go, guys. We stopped by Lakefront, Lakeshore Drive to check the condition. It seems really rough out here. Gonna move over to the west end point. Really windy day, so I'm gonna try fishing right here and see how it goes. Use this Penn Squadron 3. It's a 8 feet medium moderate fast. There with a Penn Fierce for 5,000 reel and 60-pound test. This one's all do a double weight on this. I use a 2-ounce sinker today. And on the break, I'm going to use this size hook right here. It's a big hook, and this is a lightweight hook right here. So one on the top and one on the bottom. Guy joining fishing around here. Getting some bite, but it's too windy. It's kind of hard to tell the bite. So you can hold the rod and feel it. No luck today, but we're just gonna talk a little bit about this EcoFlow our station. I like it so far. It's pretty legit power bank at 88% right now, and I'm charging my Samsung S23 Ultra, and the Bluetooth speaker we're burning about 5 watts, and it can last up to 61 hours. But the thing I like is it has this top flat part that you can put your stuff on, and I can sit and lean my hand on it, so it's a pretty nice unit. I like it so far. Moving on to the last destination. It's a pump station right behind Barnes and Noble. This spot seems to be more wind protected. Okay, just pull my rig out from here. Probably can cast my net here and grab some new bait. Gonna cast toward the pump. I see some fish slashing on that side earlier. What I'm gonna do is put the water bucket on here to weight this down. I'm sitting on my milk crate cover that I made yesterday. Seemed to be a good design. Not gonna get any bite on the frog here. Pretty clear today. Might be hiding in the pipe here. There's another fish just slashed over there by the pump. I like this brake line here. It's a 15-pound brake. The cast is really nice and smooth. I like it better than the Power Pro that I had before. I'm gonna try this crankbait. Oh, look like we have an alligator on that side. No wonder I see some moving water on that side earlier. It's an alligator right over there. Please show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I would love to see
your feedback on what you'd like to see in my upcoming video. Thank you. Bye bye.
Got a baby bass. Alright guys, so got a baby bass off the canal, so I'm gonna let it go.